Hello everyone, welcome to Parenting with Dr. Kruti.
General Knowledge Questions Part 2. Who invented the law of gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. Who invented the electric light bulb? Thomas Edison. Who was the first president of USA? George Washington. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. What is the full form of IAS? Indian Administrative Service. Which country has the largest written constitution in the world? India. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA? France. What is the time taken by sunlight to reach Earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. What does FM stand for in FM radio? Frequency modulation. What is the full form of SIM? Subscriber Identity Module.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।